MT8227 can capture all kinds of DPM barcode including dot peen marking, laser etching, chemical etching, ink marking, tricolor illumination white, blue and red, white LED direct illumination, blue and red LED diffuse illumination, auto adaptive illumination, always operates with optimal parameter. Blue LED, best for metal surface. Red LED, best for PCB surface. Scans high density 4mm 2D codes, 2 by 2 millimeters. Mobile friendly scanning. IP65 industrial class protection.
We also provide OEM and ODM services. For any question, please visit our website at marson.com.tw.